Hi everyone, welcome back to DeFi Daily. Today I want to show you a platform. This is a brand new platform. This is offering us some insane APR, probably the highest into the whole industry on stablecoin. And what is also even more promising, it is that this platform should be legit. So it is a great opportunity I want to share with you, and I will also explain how it works. Before to start, guys, always remember that all the contents in this channel are just for educational purpose and nothing has to be intended as financial advice. If you want to invest in anything, that's great, but do always your research first. Okay, let's jump immediately into the platform, and I'm talking about the Platypus platform. And it is a platform that has been just launched yesterday, so it is a brand new, and it would be like a new generation of AMM for stable swap. So it's like Saber on Solana, Curve on Ethereum, and many other chains. So the whole concept is make it more easy and more efficient swapping stablecoins. And if you want to know more about all the concept and how the AMM will work, you can visit the documentation. Just click here on the top and you will be able to check all the documentation. It's something that it is obviously good to know if you want to use this kind of platform. Here you will find also a table that summarizes why the Platypus swap is better than other stable swaps. But what is quite powerful and interesting is that there are many investors behind this kind of project. As you can see, many of them, also two different audits. The reason why there is a so high interest into this kind of topic is because liquidity is really the core of the whole DeFi system. If we have an efficient way to swap stablecoins and to manage stablecoins, we will have also a more efficient DeFi. In any case, we will come back to the topic of liquidity because it is a really wide topic and I want to for you today. And today is just more about the insane opportunity that is coming out with this platform. As you can see from also the Platypus Twitter account, yes, that's true. Almost 4,000 APR. It is something that were real just a couple of hours ago into this platform. And if you go through here again, another 4,000 APY and many other tweets here that are just demonstrating a really insane. User is having like almost 500 of APR on a stablecoin. So this is obviously the highest APR that we have ever seen on stablecoins into the whole industry. But I want to share with you how does it work. So this is the platform. As you can see, it has a basic feature that is a swapping feature where you can just select the stablecoin that you want to swap with the other stable that you want to receive. Here you have the pool. As you can see, I have just tried the USDC, and here you will see that the average APR on each asset is, for example, on USDT, the average is 207%, on USDC is 227, here is almost 300, and here is higher than 300. So it means that the average user that is using this kind of pool is earning this kind of APY. I will explain in a moment exactly how you can boost your APR to that kind of level and even higher. Remember that the base APR that you will start earning at the beginning is this one. Here you will find base APR for each asset. For example, on USDT is 22, on USDC is 24, and so on. I want to show you, before going to how to boost it, exactly how you can deposit, because it is a 4 steps process. First of all, you have to click on deposit. You will have to approve, that is the first step. After that, you will have to deposit. And in the moment when you have deposited your asset, you didn't end your job, because you have to go here. As you can see, in this case USDT, you can click on stake because you didn't have still yet deposited. But here that I have already deposited, you have the possibility to open this menu, and here you will have a stake button. In order to start earning your APR, you will have to, first of all, approve the staking feature, and fourth, you will have to stake. So as you can understand, are 4 different steps. First of all, approve the deposit, approve the staking feature, and after that, stake your assets. In this moment, you will start earning the base APR. In the moment to receive a boosted APR, you have to use this other feature here, the PTP, so the Platypus Venom. That's the name of this token that is like a vested, so a locked Platypus token. In order to understand how this feature works, I will use the booster calculator. So let's say that we have an asset, let's say, for example, a DAI or any other. Let's say that we want to deposit $1,000. Here, you will have the calculator down here that is showing you how much you will start earning. And in order to push your APR higher, what you need is vested Platypus tokens, so Platypus Venom tokens. Let's say, for example, that you have one Platypus Venom token. You will see that your APR is going from 32% to 50%. Let's say that you have 10 of them, your APR will go to 160%. Let's say that you have 100 of them, your APR will go even higher and higher and higher and higher. So the whole question is how we can earn this kind of token in order to boost the APR. There is only one way, and it is buying the Platypus token. And if you want to buy it, my suggestion is going to CoinGecko. You have just to check for Platypus Finance, the PTP token here. Going down here, click on live chart. You will be redirected to this page. That is a chart that is tracking the price of the Platypus token against AVAX. And you will see that there is a button down below the price that is called swap on TraderJoe. And on TraderJoe, you will have the opportunity to buy the token. After you have the Platypus token, you can come back to the Platypus platform, just stake it. Obviously, even in this case, it is a two-steps process. Approve the smart contract, and after that, stake it. And in this moment, you will start to earn the Platypus Venom, so the VE-PTP, that is the token that you need in order to boost your APR. As you can see here, you will see how many tokens you will earn per hour. So in the moment when you have understood how many tokens you are earning per hour, you can go back to the calculator and check, okay, let's say that in the next couple of hours, I'm earning right now 2.5 Platypus Venom per hour. So it means that after 4 hours, I will have 10 of them. So it means that after select the token, let's say, for example, I have just deposited 290. So it means that after 4 hours, I will start earning this kind of APR. So that is around 220%. And this APR obviously can change according to the market condition, to how many people are using the platform. The whole concept is that they have created a certain kind of dynamic where people are incentivized to go to the market to buy the Platypus token and to stake it. So it's like a system that is keep incentivizing people to don't just dump the token, but to keep this kind of token staked into the platform in order to boost the APR. So right now the question is, it is really worth it, this kind of platform, or not? What I can say to you is that in any case, we are still talking about a pretty decent APR, because 24% on stablecoin, it is a pretty decent APR even without the boosting feature. Right now, the opportunity is obviously quite juicy, but there are a couple of risks that you have to take in account. First of all, in order to start earning this kind of APR that can for real go, for example, to 1,000%, because here if we go to, let's say that we deposit 1,000 and we have, let's say, 1,000 of VE, so Platypus Venom tokens, that's real that you can reach 1,000% of APR. The point is that the risk is related to the price of the Platypus token. If the game keeps going and keeps pushing the price higher, everything is going smoothly. It could be quite convenient to just buy the token of the Platypus platform just to boost your APR. On the other side, if the price is dumping, and sooner or later that's quite normal that the price will dump. Why? For the simple reason that there are two main strategies. The first strategy is just having as a goal pushing higher the APR on your stablecoins. The other strategy is saying, okay guys, I know that many people will start buying the Platypus token, so the price of the Platypus token will go higher. So I will speculate on the price of the Platypus token. I will simply buy the Platypus token. I don't care about using it. I want to just dump it as soon as the price of it goes higher. So as you can understand, there is this kind of dynamic that's true, that the APR is quite high and many people will start using this platform, because as you can see, even if the platform is really young, we are already talking about a total value locked inside the platform that is 100, another 100, another 150. So it means around 350 million in just a couple of hours. So we are really talking about a platform that is growing a lot. And the main question that you have to ask yourself is, do you believe in this platform? Are you aware of the risk that you are encountering if you are just trying to speculate for the short term? Always remember that going for the short term requires higher skills and being aware of the risk. In this case, you are not losing your stablecoin, because with any probability we are talking about a legit platform, so you can be quite sure that your funds are safe. Obviously, you have always to take into account that the possibility to see an hack, it's always possible, so 100% security is not something that is possible. But on the other side, it is safer than many other new protocols that are coming out into this industry. But what you have to take in account is that if you are investing in order to boost your APR, you have to be aware on what are the risks and what are the opportunity. The opportunity is, for real, being able to boost your APR on stablecoins even higher than 100%, 200%, 1000%. That's real. On the other side, it's also possible that you are investing in a token, into Platypus token, that can dump any moment soon. As you have seen also from the chart, the price has gone already 3 times higher in the last couple of hours. So it is possible that there are many people that are on profit, and it's possible that will try to take this kind of profit. On the other side, there are many other people that are just discovering this platform, and it's possible that they want to jump into the protocol. As you can see, also the trading volume is quite high. We are talking about 41 million on trading, so quite high. Another solution in order to take advantage from this kind of situation is just providing liquidity on Trader Joe. Because what does it mean? It means that we know that with a so high volume, the people that are providing liquidity to that kind of pool will earn a really high amount of fees. So as you can see, there are almost 3 different strategies. First of all, just boosting your APR on stablecoin because you are interested on it. Trying to speculate into the price of the Platypus token. Third, trying to speculate on fees, just providing liquidity to Trader Joe. Guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Have a look to the platform, because Platypus could be a really interesting platform that's quite powerful, seeing a so high APR. This is something that are opportunities that are not coming so often. Obviously, it will not last forever. Do well your math and try to understand what kind of strategy better applies to your profile risk. Guys, let me know what do you think about it. You can do it into the comments below, and I will be more than happy to listen from you. Remember that if you like this kind of content, the best way to sustain me is always leaving a big thumbs up and drop a comment. Guys, thank you for following me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.